As you can see, I am in Vietnam now. But the problem is, I'm supposed to enjoy myself, see, because I am on tour. But this one local here asked me, she asked me if, you know what the question is? Are you a proud Filipino? I got stuck. I don't know what to say, if I'm going to say yes or no. Because the following question is, are you proud to be a Filipino? Of what is happening now into your country? Oh my God. See? The corruption is spread all over the world. No? How can I say I'm proud to be a Filipino? Or should I say, yes, I'm a proud Filipino? Or should I say no because of this crocodile in that government? Oh my God. It's so big shame. Talaga nakakahiya kayo mga putang ina nyo. Ha? Instead na mag-enjoy ako dito sa Vietnam, putang ina, tatanungin ka ng ganun. Ha? Diyos ko po. Kayo makurakot kayo mga putang ina nyo, ha? Mahiya kayo sa mga balat na nyo. Diyos ko po. Ang daming Pilipino naghihirap. See, the topic here is about the Philippine corruption. On how the Philippines suffer, how the Filipino people suffer. Even this Russian asked, what is happening? They're doing something here in the Philippines. See? Oh my God, how can I defend my country if everyone knows in the world about this corruption? Oh my gulay, mga putangina nyo, ha? Mahiya kayo sa mga balat nyo. Peste ngayawa.